Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to tell you how to ignore messages in Messenger 2022. As you open your Messenger app, you can observe that the ignore setting for messages was already gone. But don't worry, you're on the right track. Well, for us to ignore messages, close your Messenger app, go to Google Chrome, search www.facebook.com and open your Facebook account. Once you're done opening your Facebook account, click the message icon and then open the message that you want to ignore and click this icon. Select ignore, refresh, and you're done. Now, if you're going to check your Messenger app, the GC that we ignored was gone. But if you want to see it, just go to Setting, click Message Request, go to Spam, and there you go. You can see the group chat that you ignored. So that is how to ignore messages in Messenger 2022. Please like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and have a great day.